Cassie, and today I'm going to do a travel life hacks video. So basically, I'm going to show you all of my tips and tricks that I've learned over the years from going on vacations, and some new hacks that I found online. So yeah, I'm actually packing right at the moment, as I'm filming this video. Obviously not while I've uploaded this video. I think I'm already back from that trip. So yeah, anyways, but if you want to see some hacks, then just keep on watching.
Okay, so the first one is something you can do before you even start packing, and I don't know about you, but I always start packing really last minute, so just look up a packing list online and that can help you figure out what you need to pack last minute so you don't forget anything. Okay, so this one is super obvious, but I thought I'd mention it because it is super important, and that is to fold your clothes because you'll save more space that way. Okay, so this next one is to reuse travel size things. So these containers I just got at a hotel, and I just reused them, and I can just put my old conditioner and shampoo in there. Okay, so this next one is kind of like a DIY, and you're basically just going to take some saran wrap and put it on the top and the bottom of the wrap like so. Obviously you can do it with more necklaces. I'm just doing it with one just to show as an example. So yeah, once you've done that, you just roll it up like so, and then you can roll it up as tight or as loose as you want it, and then you can just stick it in your suitcase. Okay, so obviously you're not going to be wearing a heavy jacket in the summertime, but just as an example, you can wear some bulky stuff on the way to the airport to save space in your suitcase. I absolutely love this next hack. So basically you're just going to use another thing of food wrap, and then you will just take your whatever you don't want to spill and then just put it over the opening and then twist the thing around it again, and then it will not spill, trust me. Okay, so this next one is mind-blowing. So basically just take an empty Tic Tac container and then you can decorate it like I did, and then basically you're just gonna put your toothbrush in there so it doesn't get all dirty and disgusting, and yeah.
And those are all the hacks I have for you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't seen my face before, my name's Cassie, and I'd like to think this channel is pretty cool. So go ahead and subscribe down below. We're so close to 175 subscribers, and that means we're almost close to 200, and that's just a milestone in my opinion. So yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. But yeah, I think that's about it, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!